In this video, we will discuss the top 9 indications that someone cares. Do you ever question if someone truly cares for you or whether they are simply being concerned? If so, you've found the correct video just now. Through social networking applications, you could be digitally connected to someone in the modern digital world, but you can never be certain of the validity of that relationship. Welcome to our channel, everyone. We're going to look at the top 9 indicators of someone's level of concern for you today. So that you don't miss anything, be sure to watch the entire video with us. 9. They want to know everything about you, including your favorite color and any past romantic relationships. A person who genuinely cares about you would want to know everything and would constantly make an effort to continue the discussion. You did indeed hear it correctly. To be certain of your compatibility in the future, the person who cares will make sure to be fully aware of your presence. Do you know someone who consistently makes an effort to learn about your current likes and dislikes? If so, then don't disregard him or her. 8. They want to communicate all the time. Those that are concerned about you will constantly keep an eye on you. If they don't hear from you for several days, they'll be concerned. Someone is just pretending to be someone if they vanish from your life for a few days and then resume acting like nothing ever occurred. The person who cares will take the initiative right away and will get worried if they sense even the slightest difference in your tone. Do you thus have a talkative person in your life? Please tell us in the comments. 7. They'll make you feel at ease. The most evident symptom of all is comfort, we will state without hesitation. They are the ones if they take care to make you feel at ease in their presence. Just consider it. When you're freezing, why would anyone even offer you a heavier jacket? Why would they put your comfort ahead of their own? Therefore, if someone makes an effort to make you feel comfortable with them, that is unquestionably a display of compassion in its purest form. 6. They pay attention to whatever you say. Never let someone leave if they are willing to listen to what you have to say, especially if they are doing it with great interest. You won't regret it. Being a human, sharing all you experience with someone wonderful comes naturally. Even if there may be instances when people aren't listening effectively, one wants to convey worries, anxieties, and joys. But that is entirely typical. Furthermore, you don't want to lose a friend just because they are too frazzled to pay attention right now. 5. They'll offer an apology. That is now apparent. Just pause and consider. What does it mean to apologize? What if someone apologizes to you even if they aren't at fault? Do they have to do that? Or are they so reliant on you that they can withstand the idea of going days without speaking to you? None of that applies. Just another way of saying that you and your relationship are more important than their point of view. Anyone who has never appreciated you or your connection to them will never care about something that has harmed you. It can only originate from a heart that cares deeply. Therefore, it is obvious that someone is the one intended for you if they are always willing to apologize, sometimes even when they are not at fault. 4. They stick with you through thick and thin. Humans are complicated. In fact, life is complicated. Sometimes it's showering you with blessings and happiness, while other times, you are just surrounded by problems and challenges. So do you leave someone when life becomes unfortunate for them? No, that's not how someone who cares will go about. So feel free to imagine your future with someone who sticks with you even in your difficult times. Liking the video so far? Then why not subscribe Career Ladder and like the video, so that you don't miss our new videos? And it's free. 3. They even unintentionally imitate you. Do you consider it flattering when someone imitates your writing style? Okay, I do. The individual who is truly attracted to you will unknowingly imitate your manner. While some people may not be very communicative, their actions speak plenty. Therefore, if you find someone imitating your behavior, know that she is really motivated by you. 2. They'll be content when you're content. When you care for someone deeply, you want them to be content. It also cannot be coerced. Someone is poisonous if they want you to quit doing anything that makes you happy. They need to leave your life as soon as possible. I'm serious. Someone who truly cares about you won't push you to make a change. And at that point, you can tell that it has grown significantly. Therefore, bear this in mind if you want to determine whether someone cares about you. 1. Believes in your instincts. Finally, always follow your instincts. To be completely honest, you already know it in your heart. When it comes to determining how someone feels about you, the human gut is quite powerful. The caring underlying someone's acts have already been detected by your intuition, therefore trust it. So why are you still waiting? Do you know somebody who is exhibiting all these symptoms? If yes, do you anticipate a worsening of the situation between you two? Post a comment and let us know. We have now reached the conclusion of the video. But don't worry, we'll be back shortly with another fantastic video. Additionally, be sure to click the subscribe and bell icons so you won't miss any of our newest videos. Soon, everyone. I appreciate you coming.